The STM-K diagnostic stand of the Kinergo company is designed to diagnose the performance of the solenoids of the hydraulic units of automatic transmissions over the entire range of their operation. The equipment allows diagnostics of solenoids when using special adapters and cables for solenoids. The stand is equipped with a special oil bath for quick and uniform heating of the adapter and the solenoid to operating temperatures. Testing of solenoids is possible at operating temperatures up to 120 degrees. The equipment contains separate channels of low from 4 to 20 bar and high fixed 55 bar pressure for testing solenoids of various types of automatic transmission. The controller, under the control of special software, sets various operating modes of the solenoid, which allows for the most accurate diagnostics, implemented protection of electrical circuits against short circuit. The operator can set the temperature and pressure of the working fluid, the number of cycles of working out different scenarios, control the electrical signals coming to the solenoids, the presence of the viewing window, illumination of the working area, shelves with trays for storing adapters, clear controls of the equipment make it as convenient and ergonomic in operation as possible. At the end of the test, you can enable forced ventilation of the working area of the equipment. For the conclusion about the health of the verifiable solenoid, used the method of comparative analysis. Data for comparison is obtained from a known good solenoid. The equipment is completed with specially developed solenoids connection diagrams. For testing, choose from the compliance table a suitable adapter for the tested solenoid. To check, we install the solenoid into the correct adapter, as indicated in the diagram, and we fix the adapter in the working area. For testing solenoids from automatic transmission 0 AM, we use a channel with high pressure fixed 55 bar. We connect the correct cable to the solenoid. Turn on the equipment and heat the oil. Set the desired temperature. The equipment allows you to test solenoids at operating temperatures up to 120 degrees. Depending on the type of solenoid, select a high or low pressure channel for connecting an adapter. The working area is equipped with a special quick warm bath for immersion in the heated transmission, oil adapters with the solenoid. Temperature sensor in the area of the adapter allows you to accurately monitor the actual temperature of the solenoid. We load the test script and conduct the test. To do this, select from the list the type of transmission being checked. The control program has several modes: test solenoid, script mode, manual mode. It is also possible to add custom cycles, such as cleaning and running. All test parameters can be customized. According to the test results, we conduct a comparative analysis and decide on the need for repair, replacement, or adjustment of the solenoid. During the test, all data is displayed in real time on the monitor of the stand. It is possible to work in the good-bad mode, solenoid culling mode. As a result of testing, we get graphs describing the behavior of the solenoid. If we see deviations in the recorded graphics from the reference, then this is the reason for rejecting or adjusting the solenoid. Tests and measurements can be made at extreme values of temperature and pressure, which significantly increases the accuracy of the decision about the health of solenoids. All obtained test results can be saved or printed as graphs for further analysis and control. Thanks to the STM-K equipment, it is possible to quickly and accurately carry out tests of hydroblocks solenoids. This greatly speeds up the search for faults in the transmission. You are guaranteed to verify the health of the solenoids before installing the gearbox in the car. At the request of the customer, Kinergo engineers can develop special software and adapters for any solenoid using a reference sample. We are always ready to provide technical support and advise our customers. We provide training for specialists at the Kinergo Technical Center.